directing and timing the show. All right, February is American Heart Month, and when we think about keeping a healthy heart, we think diet, exercise, and lifestyle, right? But we can't forget that our bodies need rest. I met with Yuval Michler at Texas Mattress Makers' new location in Katy to get to the heart of the matter concerning better sleep. Welcome back to Great Day Houston. The last time that Christina and I and Yuval were together at Texas Mattress Makers, remember what happened? Christina came in with her husband and his 5 pillows.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that he sleeps with. So that doesn't even include mine. And so can you just tell everybody why we have to sleep with all these pillows?
Yeah, I'm single-handedly supporting the pillow industry.
Okay, Christina, explain a little bit why he had to have 5 pillows in bed with you.
Because the mattress wasn't right. So I'm glad to say we're down 3 pillows. And I think before it was a little bit of a security blanket. He felt like he couldn't sleep without it. But now that we have the right mattress, we're sleeping. We're sleeping. And he doesn't need all those pillows.
Yeah. All right. So, Yuval, if somebody's sleeping with a ton of pillows and they're all kind of between the leg, behind the back, and the whole bit, it tells you something's wrong.
A few things. Okay. So the pillow behind the back or in front of the chest definitely tells me that the mattress is unsupportive. So you're basically sleeping in a hole. The pillow between the legs is a comfort thing. A lot of people don't like their knees to touch. A lot of people like that when they have a pillow between their legs, they actually raise the top leg forward towards their chest so it opens up their hip, shifts it, and it actually is a comfort thing. But after seeing Christina's husband, God bless him, that man, he brought a truckload worth of pillows. I knew that their mattress died a long time ago, but we just didn't have the services.
Yeah.
So it was easy for me, it was easy to go and get them into a new mattress.
Yeah, and of course, a lot of times when we buy a mattress, we look at the outside and all the mattresses look the same. I don't know about you, but
right, you don't know what's in there.
Yeah, and I just bought the one where the guy had said, well, it seems to be popular. But when you come here, you're actually building that mattress for us. We can actually see what it's made of, and it starts with your foundation, because no matter how comfy it may seem on the top, it's not going to last if the foundation's not strong.
Exactly. Now you see this mattress right here? This is the mattress that you actually have at home.
Oh.
And I know you did not know that, but it is. Okay? So the bottom of
Except
this
mine's a little
mattress-
bigger.
It's actually, it's not bigger. It's exactly this. Okay?
Pour water on it, it expands.
The
Right?
bottom,
No.
the bottom of this mattress, the support, believe it or not, when you go to sit in your mattress, you actually put pressure on the bottom coil. The minute you go into your laying position, whatever that may be, that coil is right back up as though it looks right here. No pressure. The top end of this mattress, the blue that you see and the coil under it, is built totally different with different wires. That is what allows you to conform into the bed. And the bottom is what keeps you up. And that's where your pressure points in particular were being diminished.
Yeah, because as I've oftentimes said, I would wake up in the morning with my hip bone was aching, my shoulder was aching.
Right.
So my curve in my waist was not being supported.
Exactly right. This mattress actually allows your shoulder to go in, if I may demonstrate, push down on your hip, but fill you in here that you still have support. So that means your body is not supported on 2 spots, it's supported all over whatever is on the mattress.
And of course, the thing that we always talk about is that when you have more than one person in the bed, you want your partner to come in too, because oftentimes the couple doesn't both share the same needs in a mattress. And so explain what that experience was like for you and Matt.
Well, and for us, like, so I was not sleeping before because he was tossing and turning. So it's like, while the mattress was okay for me, it wasn't okay for him. But now that the mattress is perfect for him, I'm sleeping better because he's not tossing and turning all over the place. So now I'm like, I feel great.
Really, the science says that you get a good night's sleep and it's great for your overall health. This is Heart Month. You are a survivor of a heart attack, so we're so glad that you are still with us. But that's important to get that good night's sleep.
If you sleep well, forget about buying, selling mattresses. If you sleep well, your body rejuvenates, your cells grow, and you will feel better. And everything you will do during the day will be better. Your memory will be better, your activities will be better, your performance will be better, your physical being will be better.
You're very passionate about this. You're not just selling a mattress, you're selling health.
That's exactly right. This is one of the most important things you will do for your health. Christina and her husband would have stayed on the mattress that they had. I assure you, one of them, if not both of them, would have gone to the doctor and would have been treated for something that had nothing to do with their physical being. It would have been the outcome of laying on a bad mattress.
Yeah, because I remember that one of the customers you had who was an NFL football player, he had broken a portion of his back.
right.
And the doctor said, well, clearly if you broke your back, you need to have this surgery.
Correct.
He tried the mattress instead and found that he didn't need the surgery because he wasn't putting that pressure on his back all night and he can get through just fine. And I want to point out that if you have it customized, because every mattress is going to be customized to the customer who comes in here, that you're not paying any extra because while we're here at your Katy location with this just a showroom, you still own the factory as well. So you're the one making it.
That's exactly right. Everything you will see here at Katy or Houston is manufactured by us. There is no middleman or middlewoman or middle people between us and your home. So you will save a lot of money and you will be fitted properly into everything that you need.
All right, in honor of Heart Month, we wanted to give you something, Christina.
You know how we like to give you gifts. So there we go.
Thank you. Should I open it?
Sure.
From the both of you?
Absolutely.
Can I put it over here?
Yes.
Sure.
No.
Not gonna
Yes.
jump out at you.
Oh, look at that. Some of them have been eaten and some of them are missing. But we did this for a point. You look at a box like this, just like you look at a mattress, and you all expect the same thing to be inside. Well, guess what? The same thing's not always inside. So if you're looking for a quality mattress that really fits you, come here. You get to see what it's made of, and it's made for you.
You know
With
what?
love.
You know what? Hold this, Christina, for me. Please. Look at me. I love you.
We love you. Texas Mattress Makers has a special offer for Great Day viewers. Right now is your last chance to get a pocketed coil queen mattress set for $449. That's marked down from $799. Visit Texas Mattress Makers' new showroom in Katy at 5026 East 3rd Street. That location's number is 832-437-5646, or visit them at their factory location downtown at 4619 Navigation Boulevard. Go to TexasMattressMakers.com for the latest deals as well.